Thanks for taking the time to check out the Barn Boss Leadership video for FDIC this year. And with the Barn Boss Leadership Program, it's really about that informal leader that goes out and just mastery becomes their minimum standard. It's what they want to accomplish. They want to see the people around them developed and built up. And we're going to show you and give you examples of how to do it at a peer-to-peer level. We strip down the ranks and the seniority, and we get down to the core concept of people. How do you motivate people? How do you influence them to do the right things, to want to be better, to strive to develop themselves, to create competent team members? We look through the different generations. How do you blend generations and bridge that all the gaps that we talk about and discuss that are obstacles, and develop the team? Because at the end of the day, it's not about one person. It's about the core group of the people that you're responding with. You're only as good as the team that you've built, regardless if it's an officer building the team or if it's the firefighter building the team. We'll go through the steps of the team building. We'll go through the phases that Bruce Tuckman developed, and then we'll actually talk about high performance teams, which is also a video coming out with fire engineering, where I discuss the eight components or steps to developing the high performance teams. So we'll cover them pieces as well. I hope that you'll join us, Barn Boss Leadership. My name's Brian Ward. I appreciate you taking the time to check out this video.